Alright, hi everybody. Today I'm doing my Servo documentation. Basically, we're going to look at the code first. So this code just imports everything. The new things we have to import are right here, where we're importing the servo from the motor library. Setting up our LEDs like normal, setting up our button, we already talked about that. This is setting up the servo. What this does is it's setting it up on the pin GP15, and it's setting the duty cycle and frequency, which basically is telling it kind of how often it's going to be sending these signals to make sure the servo isn't just, flipping out. And then this is setting up our variable of the servo angle. And this is just saying if the button value is true, aka not pressed, the servo just rests at an angle of 1. But once it gets pressed, we do our little loop of counting down, and when we hit liftoff, our angle goes all the way to 180, and then it just sleeps for a little bit to do our LED blinks, and also to make sure the servo doesn't immediately go back to the resting thing because the button is now not pressed. And this is my wiring diagram right here. I'll have it in the repo, but you can just take a look at that. And this is the serial monitor. And so what you'll see is if I press the button, you'll see the process.
You should be able to crop a big chunk out of it.
As you saw, that was the short version of it from my testing. But you get the idea that what happened is it blinked, it hit liftoff, it moved the servo. After a couple of seconds, it moved back. And if you would like to, here's the better version of actual 10 seconds with our liftoff.
We used to be so good together.
That's not right.
And now you're going to see it's going to take a little bit before it goes back. And so now this is our liftoff. Thank you.